baby, on our journey. I ended up pulling the trigger, huh? Your husband's crazy. Oh, my little puppies. Y'all little puppies, we're okay. You got a brother and a sister, so y'all will always be together and you won't be alone. Yeah, you're not gonna be alone. It's okay. Oh. Look, baby, he's already got his leg cocked back. He's already relaxing. Got his leg cocked back. Y'all gonna talk to mama? Talk to mama? Talk to mama. Talk to mama. Talk to mama. Yeah, talk to mama. You gonna talk to mama? Talk to mama. Snoopy. Oh my gosh, she's falling into a crack down there. She looks like she's trying to climb down. She's trying to get her legs to go down into a hole. Oh, sweet little girl. Love you guys.
A pretty girl. Little Josie.
I'm gonna get some of that flea stuff too for him.
Oh, there's Snoopy. Snoop, Snoop.
You wanna come up one
Snoop,
more?
Snoop.
Now you have 2 steps.
Aw.
Now you have 2 steps.
Yeah. I'm jealous right there. That's Snoopy and little Josie and my husband. And we were supposed to just get one, the little white puppy, but they're supposed to be boxer pit mix, and they are the cutest thing. They're 5 weeks old, and they're brother and sister. And we've named the white one the boy, Snoopy, and the other one, she looks just like our Josie girl, who, bless her heart, she got killed, hit by a car about 2 years ago. Yeah, that was a hard time for me. She had just turned 5 years old. But yeah, so this one here looks just like her. Or we didn't have her that little. She was a year old. Yeah, they're tired. I think they're ready to go night-night. I love pit bulls mixed. They're just the sweetest dogs. Yeah.
You got a couple of freckles up under on the skin.
Yeah, like a Dalmatian.
You see it through the hair.
Yep.
It looks like a tree because it's under the fur.
Yeah.
I guess it'll eventually
Oh, they are so cute. Look at him. Jake's having to follow too. He's doing really good with them.
Come on, let's go back to the camera.
We think he ate a turtle earlier. He brought the shell to me. It's right here. And it's empty. Empty. Oops, completely empty. And he carried it up here, and so I don't know. It's not slimy in there, so I don't know if he ate the turtle or days ago or something. But anyhow, he's drooling, and it really looks disgusting. And I think that's because he ate the turtle.
Try and feed him.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right.
A little bit, just a little bit, just to see how that works.
Okay. They just had supper. Yeah. And we're trying to get them to starting to schedule. The very first night we're getting them. Today is Monday, May the 15th, and it's the day after Mother's Day.
What's your babies doing?
They are so precious.
What's your babies doing?
Can you tell we're dog lovers? We just love dogs. Yeah, I know. Jake is so jealous, baby, at the door. We haven't forgotten about you, baby. You still are a big baby. As long as you're nice to the puppies, we'll be nice to you. They're part of the pack.
Give me kisses for the first time.
Yeah, Snoopy gave me some earlier.
Yeah, he did me the first time before I even bought him.
That's my Snoopy. That's my Snoopy boy. Yeah, my Snoopy boy. He's so pretty. I see you looking at me. Oh, he's such a pretty boy. Look at that picture I got.
Come on, babies.
Come on.
Take a good baby.
That's a good girl. That's a good boy. I know.
Steady but same speed.
We got jealous. He just ate.
Oh, Jake?
Yeah.
Let him out. I'll let him out.
He's
I'm
jealous.
coming, Jake.
Hold on, baby. Daddy come back.
Come on.
He's okay. He's okay. You're my Snoopy boy. Yeah.
This one right here, she wants some love. He said, I'm going to get up here with y'all. What is it?
What is it,
What
Snoopy?
is it, Snoopy?
He wants to play with
He
him.
wants Jake to play with him.
Yeah.
Jake, play with Snoopy. Play with your sibling. Go play. Play with him, Jake.
Yeah, that's a baby
Play with him. Be
sister.
nice, though.
Aw.
But they ready to play with you,
What
Jake.
is it, Snoopy?
Yeah, they ready to play, Jake. Just be nice. Look, he's ready to play.
Yeah.
Let him start it off. I
Oh, I
think he'll do some stuff with it.
Yeah.
And I think he'll be gentle because they're so little, you know?
Yeah.
What is it, Josie? You gonna go play with Jake? You gonna go play with Jake?
I got me a
Jake said he's
stick.
ready to play.
Snoopy said, I got me a stick.
Go play with Jake. Hey, Josie. You go play with Jake. Look at me peeing. You see him stretch out
Was he?
across the log? Yeah, he was stretched.
Aw.
And you didn't see him stretch out real far and
No.
poo? He's like,
Oh, he's going to poop. Oh, I thought he was going to poo-poo.
oh, I'm sorry.
He's following Jake. That's your little buddy.
I think this one wants to come in
Oh.
too bad. Where you
They talking while Snoopy is talking while he's eating.
Yeah.
He's afraid his sister's going to get his food. He's okay, Snoopy. Never seen a dog talk and eat at the same time. They did really good last night. They slept through the night in their crate. And she's a little hoss. She's gonna try to get his food. They both got their paws in their food. They are so cute. Yeah, he's out hungry. They both went out and pee-peed. Well, she pee-peed and poo-pooed. And, hey, you're trying to steal his food. You got food in your bowl. Yeah. Oh, she pooping. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Yeah. Look, she did her feet. Yeah. What you doing, Josie? Oh, there he goes, Daddy. Well, I see you. I see you. I see you. As a good boy, go poo-poo. There, you gonna come up the steps? You gonna come up the steps? Your brother did it.
Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Learning in my foot.
Come on. Come on. Come on. That's a good girl. Come on. Come on, baby girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Josie, come here. Come on. Josie. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. Where y'all going?
She's just down
Melina's like a little mother to little Snoopy. She is really taken to him, rocking him. We got him wrapped in a blanket and rocking him like a baby. There she is walking back there. Maybe she'll walk back. She's rocking him and got him wrapped up in a blanket. Here she comes. She said, Mama got me.
there.
She smiled real big. Oh, It's like she's a little mama. Yeah, I'm at the nursery window looking at the baby. He's so cute. That little Snoopy, yes. Is it a boy or a girl? That's little Snoopy and Miss Felina. Love you. There's Daddy and his big baby. Jake has done so good with these puppies. I was a little scared because with bigger dogs, he's a little aggressive, and so I thought he might hurt them, but he has done so good. He's been protecting them, keeping them out of the, he'll keep them out of the kitchen because his food bowl's in there. And then he protective over Valina.
Yeah.
That's my hubby right there. I love him.
You, baby.
Gonna be 25 years in September.
Woo! Woo!
That's
like
a long.
Ric Flair moment there.
It's been a long time, hasn't it, baby?
Been a long, strange trip it's been.
A what? The longest train trip? What?
Guess again. I said a long, strange trip it's been.
Oh, a long, strange trip it's been.
Grateful Dead song.
Oh, is that what that is? I never listened to Grateful Dead.
What a long, strange trip it's been.
I love you.
I love you, baby.
Oh, I'm nervous about Thursday.
Don't be nervous.
No.
Still filming?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Snoopy, you're always lagging. Lagging behind. There's big brother Jake.
Yes, that's it for him. That's it.
They're so cute. Everybody I've showed their pictures and videos to, Shelly and the massage lady and who else I showed? Oh, I showed Heather, and they're all like, oh. He's sitting like itty bitty eyes, and he just stares at you with that fat belly sitting till he lays down. You're like, okay, I'm gonna. She's chewing on a stick.
Now that I know.
Hush, hush. Did you feed Jake supper?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Look at his bone.
Ew.
It's gross.
That is gross.
Come on, dude.
I think you get excited.
I thought it was something else.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Yeah, because it would have been over by now. He brought an empty turtle shell, and the first night we had the puppies, and he was frothing so bad at the mouth. I mean, drool strings hanging down, and so we thought, well, maybe he ate the body of the turtle, and you know, maybe it was rancid or something, you know, because we had a dog do that with some raw, what was it? Raw pork spare ribs, wasn't it? Raw pork spare ribs left, you know, I was going to fix them for supper, and one of our dogs, Jake, who's passed away.
I thought he found several days too, but
No, it was like, I think 24 hours, because I remember calling the vet, and I said, you know, he's going crazy. He was running, we were renting a shotgun house, and he was running back and forth, and just like he was going spastic. And it was, when we look back, it's funny, I think. I laugh every time I think about it. So we thought, well, maybe that's what happened to Jake, because he was kind of acting jumpy around and stuff, jumping around and stuff, so. But he's still frothing today, and this is the third day, right, that we've had the pups, and he's still frothing when he's around them. So I think it's because, we're thinking that he gets excited.
2.5 days.
Huh?
2.5 days. Yeah.
2.5 days, yeah.
But the same day I brought him home, I guess is when he ate the turtle.
Yeah, Monday, Anyhow, so he's still frothing a little bit. and it's when he's around the pups. So I'm wondering if it's because I wonder if it's because he did he eat something bad, or is he just excited because of the pups? What are you chewing on?
Saying, ooh, Christmas. Look what we unwrapped.
Christmas.
Yeah, they unwrapped your presents.
They were rolling on top of each other, kind of jumping around playing. I wanted to get them, but by the time I got up, they got into that bag.
With everything you need for your home. I have to take out that it's clear. Yeah, I'm getting somebody right at 6 miles.
Growling out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it. He's not serious. Let's not come down. Shut down all lights. Lights out, lights out.
Don't you get too close to him chewing the bone, Snoopy.
Doesn't he have Depends on?
Josie, what you doing, baby? What are you eating? You eating something? Josie. Josie. Oh, there she goes. Look, I told you that wouldn't stop her.
Come on, kid.
Uh-oh, you gotta go pee-pee?
June 2002. He takes a Jacksonville bag for 14 grand.
It seemed he became older and older. And maybe this is Luke's arrogance.
After observing several banks in the area, Crouch decides on his target, Crown Bank. Crouch makes the decision that the cash drawers are not enough. He gives the bank manager a direct order. Orders the tellers inside.
I got involved in have a safe, like a fireproof filing cabinet, and there is literally a shoebox there was some cash.
Crouch loads up his briefcase. He knows this is going to be his largest heist so far. But not everything goes according to plan.
The problem was when I went to put it in the bathroom, and a strange bathroom, there were no handles on the door.
Move your foot, baby.
I couldn't walk up in the bathroom.
If anyone moves, they'll shoot them on the spot.
So we lay down, I said, you better count to 500 before we come out. I'm not here, then I will shoot somebody, so it's stupid.
Mr. Babysitter there. Get your butt out of the way.
And of course, I ran
You're trying to get them to play with that ball. They don't want to play with it right now.
As Crouch pulls out of the bank parking lot, the police are already on their way.
coming from like 3 different directions. They're doing 100 miles an hour and their lights are flashing.
You said, come play with me.
Monday through Friday, I'm the executive of Wall Street. But on the weekends, I'm a renovation expert.
Come play.
Wednesday at 9 on HGTV.
Look, you're gonna take that toy over to him. Say, come play with his toy.
Leaf filter was a lifesaver.
The leaf filter installation process was so simple and easy.
When the salesman gave us interest-free financing and the price was right.
Yeah, my mouth looks like I sucked on a raisin. Had my 13 teeth pulled yesterday. Can't hardly wear the temporary dentures. It's still sore. And I gotta go to work Monday. And I don't like talking like this, but you know, it's kind of gross, I guess. But I feel like an old woman now with no teeth. Oh, Lord. So y'all pray for me that I get used to these gums will harden up and I can wear them teeth to go to work, because I tell you, I'm hearing myself and seeing my mouth, and when I talk, reminds me of my mom years ago. All right, y'all be blessed. Be encouraged. Even with no teeth, I still trust the Lord. Bye, y'all. Hey, y'all. It's Michelle from the Hudson Family Homestead. Today is Friday, March 19th. And boy, look at that water from all the rain. We have had steady rain since last night, and it is almost noontime, and they're calling even past 2 o'clock. I don't know when it's going to stop, but that steady rain right there puts those little lakes in the yard. Lots and lots of water. Yep. But our garden is loving it, so that's good. All right. Bye, guys. Hey, y'all. It's Michelle from the Hudson Family Homestead. Well, I got my top dentures in. And this is the most aggravating thing I've ever had to deal with in my life. So, I sound funny, but it is what it is. I don't have my bottoms in because they're just too swollen to put them in, and it rubs real bad. I don't have my Fix-A-Dent in yet. I can't hardly, I gag, I salivate like a rabid dog. And today's gonna be my first day going back to work. I had 13 teeth pulled on Thursday, last week, and today is Monday. I practiced the past couple of days with my uppers in, but I salivate like a dog, moving around because I ain't got no glue. It just doesn't look normal or natural to me. I can't drink. It's like my tongue goes up and where I can't. And then I gag too, so y'all pray for me. This is one of the most difficult things I've had to deal with. All right, y'all be blessed, be encouraged. Even with dentures, I still trust the Lord. All right, till next time. Bye-bye. ready to go night-night? You ready to go night-night? He said, this is uncomfortable. Oh, you're so pretty. And little God's creatures, yeah.
Keep leaning, him leaning his head.
What is it? What is it?
Your mama.
You want to get down?